Hi boys and girls, hi parents, your coach again, Noel here, and what I want to talk to you about today are equal numbers. And boys and girls, when a number is equal, that simply means that the number is the same. Again, when you have an equal number, the number is going to be the same. It is equal. Okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at a few of these. So this sentence says, are these two numbers equal? 4, 8. Are these two numbers equal? 6, 6. Are these two numbers equal? 7, 8. Are these two numbers equal? 3, 3. Are these two numbers equal? 0 and 5. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the first one. Are these two numbers equal? 4 and 8. Well, first of all, are they the same, boys and girls? They're not, right? This is a 4 and that's an 8. So they're not equal, okay? But let's go ahead and let's draw a picture. Here we have 4 and we have an 8. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you see how these two numbers are not equal? The 8 is the greater number. It's the bigger number. The 4 is the smaller number. It's less than 8. Okay? So in this case, are these two numbers equal? We're going to say no. So let me write no. No. Now let's take a look at the next one. Here, I'm going to erase this. We have 6 and a 6. Are these two numbers equal? Let me just make sure I have enough, okay? Let's take a look. 6 and 6. Now you can tell that these two numbers are the same, right? Of course. So are they equal? You know the answer is yes. But let's go ahead and let's draw a picture. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do you see how they're the same? They're equal, boys and girls. So in this case, the answer is yes. Now let's take a look at the next one. We have 7 and 8. Are these two numbers equal? 7 and 8. Let's see. Here's a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, first of all, boys and girls, we know that these two numbers are very different. So they're not going to be equal. But it's always good to get into a habit of drawing pictures. So here I see that 7 is less than 8, it's smaller than 8. And here I see that 8 is bigger or it's greater than 7. So in this case, the answer is going to be no. Okay? Now, let me go ahead and do the next one. Are these two numbers equal? 3 and 3. Well, as you can already see, boys and girls, the numbers that we have there, are they the same or are they different? They're the same, right? So we already know that they're going to be equal. But like I said, boys and girls, it's always great to draw a picture. So I'm just erasing these starts here. I'm just going to leave a couple. So let's draw 3. 1, 2, 3. And here I have 3. 1, 2, 3. Are the numbers equal? Absolutely, boys and girls. So in this case, 3 and 3, that's going to be yes. They're equal. Now let's look at this one. Are these two numbers equal? 0 and 5. So here I'm going to draw a 0 or write 0. And here I'm going to write 5. And as you know, boys and girls, if it's 0, that means that there's nothing there. So this is how I would draw 0. There's nothing. Now let's draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wonderful. And you can already tell, boys and girls, that these two numbers look very different from each other, so they're not going to be equal, okay? But, like I said, it's always great to draw a picture. And let's see. 5 is bigger than, or it's greater than, 0. 0 is smaller than, or less than, 5. Are these two numbers equal, 0 and 5? The answer is, that's right, boys and girls, it is no. And that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and let's go over these again, okay? Are these two numbers equal, 4 and 8? Nope, they're not. They're not the same. Are these two numbers equal, 6 and 6? Are they the same? Yes, they are. They're equal to each other. Are these two numbers equal, 7 and 8? They're very different, aren't they? So the answer is no, they're not equal. Are these two numbers equal, 3 and 3? They're the same, right? So the answer is yes. Are these two numbers equal, 0 and 5? Very different from each other? The answer is no. So, you did an outstanding job again, boys and girls. I can't tell you how proud I am of you. And parents, thank you so much, and we'll see you at the next video.